Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Packet Tracer and selecting the build with EOT objects. This matters because some features only appear in newer builds. Once done, sketch a simple topology. One edge router, a managed switch, a wireless access point, a local server, and your smart devices plus a smartphone. You add each device now and label roles, because labeling prevents confusion later. Then assign a basic IP plan such as 192, 168, 10, 0/24 and map which device gets which address. Next, you configure the core services that make a smart home functional. First, enable DHCP on the router or dedicated server, reserving static IPs for cameras and the server so automation rules stay stable. Then, set the wireless SSID and WPA2 passphrase on the access point and connect the smartphone to verify a lease. After that, install and enable server services, HTTP for a dashboard, MQTT, or REST for device messaging, so your EOT objects can publish telemetry and receive control commands. Finally, you perform comprehensive testing and wrap up the project. Switch to simulation mode and reproduce control flows. Send commands from the smartphone, watch MQTT topics, and load the dashboard to confirm HTTP responses. Make stepwise fixes if something fails, then save the PT file and export individual device configs for backup. Document IPs, VLAN, and credentials so future edits are fast. If things go wrong, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Verify IP addressing, default gateway, and VLAN mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.